Hello again. Let's have a look at saving a spreadsheet this time, and the task is here. Save a spreadsheet to a location in a local or online drive. Save a spreadsheet under another name to a location in a local or online drive. So basically we're saving and saving as, which are two different things. And the first thing we need is having a spreadsheet. So I'll just start a new one. You now know how to do that. And let's just do something, it's just so it's not blank. And there are ways to save a spreadsheet. The traditional is you can come up here and click on this, which is what it says. Now, depending on your version, this might or might not be identical to mine because we've not saved the worksheet so far. Technically we're saving as something new, and on newer versions it's going to look like this. It's going to offer you whatever has been recently used, or OneDrive, or anything else that you might have connected here that more applies in corporate environments. On older versions you just get this whatever it's called, conversation pane, I don't know, and you can click through here on your left hand side. Now in Windows 10 you have quick access and whatever you have defined in quick access, and you have this computer, and that's going to be your computer. Now, for sake of simplicity, we are just going to save it on the desktop and just call it something workbook, which is not particularly creative, but it does the job. And now you can either just hit enter or come here and click save. And it's newer versions will tell you it's been saved. Older versions are not going to show this. There are other ways you can save, as you might have seen when we come up back here. It does have in parentheses Ctrl S, which does exactly the same job. And you can also go into file and just click save, and now it's not going to come up with this whole question of where to save it because it's already been saved once, so it now exists. It just gets overwritten. For online, I don't have any of them defined for me, but you could go into OneDrive, which is not set up for me, so for me it's just going to say sign in. But assume you're signed in, you can just save it here, or if you're in a company environment you can add the place. You might have more things like Dropbox, Google Drive, I don't know, whatever you use, and those will just be your online places. Now the second half of the task, going back here, is save a spreadsheet under another name, and that you can do going into file, and now we're on purpose going to do save as. And again, this looks slightly different in older versions, but you can change the name here and like something workbook new, and then just click save. The other option you have going here, and this is what it's more likely to look for you in older versions, this is the window that comes up, and just click save as, and then it works much the same way as it was a moment ago, and just click save. And if you go back to the desktop, you have something workbook new, and something workbook new old. So that's how you save and save as. So thanks for watching, and the next one's going to be saving a spreadsheet with a different file type extension. So keep watching.